What's up, guys? It's your boy Roy
and the sheriff. We're here with Freak Out Fishing.
Last time we were at this pond, we tried to do a lot of top water. It didn't work out too well, but we're here to try it again.
Right now it's about 65 degrees and cloudy. Perfect for some top water. Hopefully these clouds stick around for a while, but we'll see what happens. Right now I got a mouse tied on. Last time I had a couple hits. I set the hook a little too early, hoping to catch something on that thing today. I haven't caught anything on that mouse.
Guys, check this pond out real quick.
And the red-tailed hawk.
Happy hunting, Sheriff.
There we go. Yep, we go, everybody. That is my first fish on a mouse. A little dink, but it's a fish. See how clear the water is under that scum?
Yeah.
Which is surprising for all the rain we've had. There we go. Biggest catch of the day.
This duckweed is not working. Not helping at all. Dude, that stuff is way too thick over there. I can't even punch through it.
There we go. Oh, much better fish. We gotta go get the pliers.
Yeah, that's probably a 2-pounder.
I think a pound and a half, maybe. He's got a little gut on him. 1.35.
Nice little fish, though.
Right, let's get him back in the water.
Way too thick, that duckweed. So we are changing spots. We're gonna go to a local shut down golf course. Lost a couple of lures.
We're gonna get Roy a fish today.
Location number 2. See if we can't get something at this pond. Damn, I cannot believe that, dude. Well, that wasn't any better. Currently trying to find these ponds at this closed up golf course. Well, the road goes over that way.
Got one. Little bluegill. There we go. I know it's not a bass, but it's a fish. You know, he's a pretty little fish. Roy, there's bass in the lake. Make it look bigger. How's that? A little better. Stop, stop, stop. You're okay. A tiny little largemouth. But it's a fish. Oh. There's bass in here. Just big ones don't want to bite.
Got one. Finally. Little bitty guy. Little bitty guy, but you know what? We'll take him. Little bitty, kind of fat little bitty guy. Cool. Got him. Another little dink. Little bitty, 1/2 pounder. But you know what? We'll take it. A little fat dink. All right. gotta be bigger ones in here. Gotta be bigger ones in here.
There's a little better fish. Not really, but I'll take it. Yeah, he's a little better. Oh, he barely took it. That little guy. I guess this turned into microfishing today.
Spinner was working pretty well. A little bitty spinner for a little bitty pond. Got him. Got him. Come here, buddy. Another smallie. Well, not smallie, but small bass. He's been caught many times. A little small dink. Fatty though, a little fatty. Not the 4-pound we're looking for, but I'll take him. Got him. Got him. Is it another dink? Is it another dink? It is another dink. A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Take a little bit bigger dink. Fat. A little bit chunky. Oh well. Oh, we'll take him. Got him. Got him. That's a good one. That's a... Oh, no! That was like a 2-pounder. Got him. Got him. There we go. There we go. A little bit better of a fish. Nice and healthy, dude. They're fat. Cool fish. Cool fish.
Caught a bunch of stuff. Nothing big, but we caught a bunch.
Well, that was fun.
Caught a lot of fish.
Pond hopping. First pond we went to had a ton of duckweed on the top. So thick that we couldn't punch through, but...
Did get my first fish on a mouse. That was a lot of fun. The second fish I got was on the whopper plopper, which was a nightmare there. We kept getting tangled up on everything. Trees, scum, grass, everything.
We went to a golf course that is no longer in operation. A lot of ponds there. First pond we went to, some guys got there first, so they kind of took up our spot. But I'm glad they did, because it was already just total weeds, duckweed, just... it probably wasn't a good spot to begin with. Didn't catch any pigs that we were looking for, but
we caught fish.
We did. We caught some fish, which is still a good day. The fish that we did catch, though, were fairly fat. I mean, they were healthy fish. Good fighting fish. It was a good catch. So the most of the fish that I caught were on just a Colorado blade spinner. I think I got it from Walmart. I think it was like $2.
Most of mine were on a little floating Rapala. I think it was like a little 1-inch Rapala lure. Seems like the panfish love that.
All around, very good day of fishing. If you want to leave a comment, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Let us know how this video went for you guys. If you enjoyed it, what you liked about it. Anything that you'd like to see us do, any challenges maybe, anything that you'd like to see us use. Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.